Welcome to day 57 of our course. Today we will be diving into the final project where we will focus on designing a complex system. Throughout this session, we will apply the system design principles we have learned to tackle real world problems. The objective of today's session is to lay the foundation for our final project. We will start by identifying the problem and understanding the system requirements. By the end of the day, we will have an initial draft of the high level design or HLD which will guide our project development. Here how we will break down the today's session. First we will spend 30 minutes introducing the final project. Then we will move into brainstorming and problem identification, which will take about an hour. After that, we will gather system requirements and specify the functional details for 2 hours. We will also spend 2 hours discussing the high level architecture of our system, followed by a 1 hour peer collaboration session where we will share ideas and get feedback. Let's take a closer look at the final project. The goal is to apply everything we have learned to design a real world system. We will be required to deliver a high level design, a summary of our findings, and diagrams illustrating our system's architecture. The system we choose should address a real world problem, involve multiple interacting components, and be scalable and modular. Examples of systems we could design include an online food delivery service, a real time chat application, or a social media analytics dashboard. In this activity, we will define the problem our system will solve. Begin by answering these questions. What problem does our system solve? Who are our target users? What are the core functionalities? By the end of this session, you should have a concise one paragraph problem statement that clearly defines your system's purpose. Next, we will define the system's requirements. This includes functional requirements, which specify what our system should do, and non-functional requirements, which outline performance, scalability, security, and other quality attributes. We will also need to identify the key actors, those who will interact with the system, and define their roles and responsibilities. We use collaborative tools to document our findings. Now it's time to draft our system architecture. We will cover key concepts such as component diagrams, data flow diagrams, API interactions, and database schema. Our goal is to sketch the system's architecture and define how the different components will interact with one another. We can use tools like Lucidchart, Miro, or even paper sketches for this activity. In this activity, we will collaborate with our peers, share our drafts, and gather feedback on areas such as the completeness of our requirements, the clarity of our architecture, and the feasibility of our design. The feedback you receive today will help improve the drafts, your problem statement, and diagrams. So be sure to engage actively. By the end of today's session, you should have three key deliverables: your problem statement and its scopes, the functional and non functional requirements for our system, and a draft of your system architecture diagram. This will serve as the foundation of your final project. For tomorrow, revise your problem statement, requirements, and architecture. Expand on your high level design by providing more detailed descriptions of the components. Also prepare any questions you might have for tomorrow's discussion. Great job today. Use the feedback you have gathered to refine your system design. Tomorrow we will dive deeper into the high level design and work on developing it further. Keep up the good work and I look forward to seeing your progress.